Short Square Fake Nails Kit includes 10 colors pre-colored matte round square press on nails short length, 24% each color, total 240% short coffin nails press on in velvet matte finish Trendy nail decor. Trendy matte square false nails designed in 10 different sizes, pre-numbered from size 0 to 9, suitable for different fingers, wide, small, medium nail bed. Pre-numbered design. Make them easy to keep track of, and convenient to choose the suitable tips to fit your every finger. Designer matte press on nails short made of quality ABS material, which is hard, durable and sturdy. Matte finish with beautiful classic winter color, can fit your clothes well and make you look more attractive. Colored matte coffin nails includes red, black, burgundy, smoky blue, nude, pink, white, plum pink, khaki and dark green. Those colors are trendy and classic color, perfect all year round. You use with glitter flakes, powder pigment, stickers, decals, studs, charms, chrome, and other nail accessories. Press on nails makes nail art shape easier. Just file and shape your nails, clean your nail bed, apply adhesive tabs, nail glue, on nail tips, then press on nail tips on your natural nail, will get salon effect in few seconds. Without glue or adhesive tab. Ideal Holei nail art gift. Matte square nails short suitable for professional manicure salon nail design and nail enthusiast home nail DIY. It is a beautiful beauty nail gift for your wife, daughter, grandma, girlfriend, sister, mother, best friend, granddaughter or girlfriend. Can be worn on wedding, stage performance, prom, party, promotion, dating, suitable for Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day and other festival. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for me. They fit my nail beds well with minimal filing needed. I posted a picture. These are after a week of wearing them. If I'm being too rough, one might come off, but that's my glue's fault really. Very easy fix.